Good morning to all, dear student. We are doing Unit 3, Section B, Just Be Up and Doing. Today I will discuss hard word of this poem. Just be up and doing. Hard word. The first word is burden. B U R D E N. Burden. 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 And the second word is pursuing. 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 The third word is bridle. 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 Fourth word is conquer. 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 Fifth is certain. 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 Dear student, here we have completed our section B. Now I will discuss the next section of Unit 3. Dear student, C1 is a class discussion. So I will take the next topic, C2. We will discuss C2. Given below are description of some people who, in spite of their physical limitation, made it big in the world. Choose the name of the famous personality from the box and write it against their description. So there are some famous personality and we have to write their name against their description. उनके सामने हमें जिस पर्सनैलिटी की बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर उनका यहाँ पर नाम लिखना है। जैसे कि यहाँ पर है कि बहुत से ऐसे लोग हैं जो फिजिकली लिमिटेशंस के साथ बॉर्न हुए पर उन्होंने कुछ ना कुछ इतने फेमस हो गए हैं कि वो जो लिमिटेशंस थी उनको भी उन्होंने क्रॉस किया है और लाइफ में अचीव किया है। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट वन। अ साइंटिस्ट हु कैन नॉट स्पीक एंड restricted to the wheelchair but has given amazing theory to the world. So वो साइंटिस्ट जो कि बोल नहीं सकते थे एंड रिस्ट्रिक्टेड थे सिर्फ चेयर पे बैठने के लिए, बट उन्होंने वर्ल्ड को एक अमेजिंग थ्योरी दी है। उनका नाम है स्टीवन हॉकिंग. सो वी विल राइट स्टीवन हॉकिंग हियर. STEPHEN. Stephen Hawking. A scientist who cannot speak and is restricted to wheelchair but has given amazing theory to the world. And second one, a German music composer who was born deaf but created beautiful composition. So जो पर्सन है वो जर्मन में पैदा हुए हैं और कैसे हुए थे, डफ, बट उन्होंने क्या है बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल कंपोजिशंस दी है, म्यूजिक दिया है. एंड द पर्सन इज Ludwig van Beethoven. We will write Ludwig, Ludwig van and Beethoven, Oven. A German music composer who was born deaf but created beautiful composition, Ludwig van Beethoven. Number 3, the USA president who suffered from polio. USA के प्रेसिडेंट जो कि किससे सफ़र करते थे? पोलियो से. सो उनका नाम है फ्रैंकलिन डी रूजवेल्ट. So we will write here Franklin, Franklin, Franklin D. Roosevelt, VELT, USA president who suffered from polio. The name is Franklin D. Roosevelt. 4th one, a classical dancer who lost her leg in a car accident but continued dancing with an artificial leg. So the name of the person is Sudha Chandran. SUDHACHANDRAN, Sudha Chandran. Classical dancer who lost her leg in a car accident but continued dancing with the artificial leg, and she is Sudha Chandran. The next one is fifth one, a blind genius who developed the braille for visual challenged people to enable them to read. So the name of the person is, as we all know, we have discussed in a SST about this personality, and he is Louis Braille. So we will write Louis Braille here, LOUISE, Louis Braille, BRAILLE, Louis Braille. A blind genius who developed the braille for the visual challenged people to enable them to read. And the 6th one is a dynamic cricketer who suffered from diabetes but never let it affect his performance. And the name of the person is Wasim Akram. WASIM, Wasim Akram. A dynamic cricketer who suffered from diabetes but never let it affect her performance. So dear student, here we have done section C2, and we have learned that all the personality has done great job in their field. So the people who born with the disabled can do anything. So dear student, tomorrow I will discuss a very interesting story, The Fearless Fighter, and you will do this work on page number 67. Thank you and have a nice day.